Alright, here's the time for the ingredients and the recipe for our fettuccine with seafood. Okay, here's the ingredients you're going to need for your fettuccine with shrimp and scallops. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/3 cup of chopped onion, 1/3 cup of finely chopped carrots, 1/3 cup finely chopped celery, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 28-ounce can of plum tomatoes, drained and chopped, 2 cups of chicken broth, half a cup of white wine, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 pound of shrimp, a half a pound of scallops, 12 ounces of fettuccine, fresh basil leaves, and 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Okay, for the garlic bread we'll need 6 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 1 16-ounce loaf of French bread.